Hello everyone, my name is Jay Kirti. Welcome to Crafts and Drawings. Today we'll be making a paper bookmark. For this, you'll be needing a square paper. If you don't have one, it's okay. We'll just make a square paper out of A4 paper. Now, for this, you'll be needing scissors, a sketch pen, and a pencil if it's needed. Now, if you guys don't know how to make square paper, it's okay. We'll be making it with an A4 paper as I told before itself. Now, let's get started with the square paper, then we'll start with the bookmark. Now, for this, you need to fold one of the side to this place till it gets pointed like this, you see. After you're done, you need to cut this waste side. The paper, this flat side which is not folded. Here's my scissors. Now the square paper is ready, folded as it was, like this. It faces us like this triangle side. Now this side of the paper you need to fold it to this here, like this. Now you need to repeat this in the other's opposite side also. Remove both of the folded parts. Now you'll see a line here. You see here as a diamond. In that, you need to fold this place up on the line. Now this side of the paper, you need to lift this one like this and put this that side of the paper in it. You see, it was easy. Now we need to do it in the other side also. Now there's your bookmark, but it's not yet done. You need to use your scissors to curve this tip a bit so that it will look neater and better. We'll first start with this side of the. We'll first start with this both of these sides, but it's better if you guys choose one of the side first. Now after you cut this place, you need to start on with this place so that it will be easier to cut the curve like that. Now when you keep on going, you'll easily get this one's curve also. But if you don't get it, it's okay. You could try it. You could do it mainly itself. There is the bookmark curve. Now you take the marker. You need to take the marker and you could draw cute eyes or anything cute there. I'm going to draw the cute eyes. Like, and now for the mouth. and I'm gonna put small little hearts on this sign near the eyes. There, it's done, and I'm gonna also draw a big heart on the downside here. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.